Hi everyone, Carl here. Today I'm going to do a taste test review of Wise, the classic American snack barbecue flavored potato chips. There it is. Try a couple of these out. Let's try a couple of these. Here. Very good. I really think these are good. I personally like these a lot, but they're not my favorite, so I think let's prefer other barbecue ones. So I'm gonna give this a fair 7 out of 10 score. Yeah, I just prefer like Pringles or Lay's. So yeah, definitely 7 out of 10. But definitely would buy these again, so in the future. Yes, you can get these at grocery store, but I'm not sure where though. I got these at Menor Family Foods. I don't know if they'll have it where you're at. Try some more. Kind of more salty than barbecue. But yeah, definitely 7 out of 10 like I said. So let me know what you think. Would you try these? Yes or no? Why or why not? And thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe. And comment as well. And I do hope you found my review of Wise barbecue potato chips helpful to you. And thanks again for watching. Stay safe and warm. And have a nice day. Bye now.